आज मैंने गया थिएटर्स पर बच्चन पांडे देखने के लिए, और सच बताऊं तो एक अच्छी सी कहानी को कैसे कबाड़ा बनाना है कोई फरहाद नोलन समझी से सीखे भाई। फरहाद नोलन समझी इज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल द यूथ बेसिकली. He is an inspiration to all the youths. People should learn, take tuitions how to direct film. Because if a person like Farhad Shamji can become a director, then I also can become Ambani. I will not lose hopes. Like that type of director he is. A person who has directed Entertainment, then Houseful 3, and now he has directed Bachchan Pandey. To get a third film is only a big achievement. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. खुदा मेहरबान तो गधा भी पहलवान, ऐसा है. मतलब खुदा मतलब नाडियाड वाला मेहरबान तो गधा भी पहलवान, यही हालत है अभी. क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. बेसिकली दिस मूवी इज बेसिकली रीमेक ऑफ जिगरतंडा, एंड इट इज नॉट इवन रीचिंग 1% ऑफ जिगरतंडा. बेसिकली not even 1% of Jigartanda in story and screenplay and direction. It's not reaching. Story is the same, screenplay and direction it is not reaching. Only Akshay Kumar's performance is the best part of this movie. He has performed fabulously. His style, then his swag, then his entrance and everything, even that look, basically that one eye look was there, and everything, makeup, get up and everything was superb, simply fabulous. That Bachchan Pandey's character is fabulous, Akshay Kumar. But it's a complete shame that this Bachchan Pandey character didn't get good directors that will give a good film. First that Bachchan Pandey got was Tashan, which was Achadi Masti, director was there. That Tashan also became flop. Now he has got Farhad Nolan Shamji. Wow. It's a complete shame that Bachchan Pandey character didn't get a fabulous movie. Talking about this film, basically they are saying this is an action comedy film. There was not even a single comedy scene, proper comedy scene, not even a single comedy scene that came that looked like a comedy. Means not even a single laugh came at the theaters. अरे ये कोई डायलॉग्स होता है यार, ये कोई डायलॉग्स होता है. मम 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 मिरिंडा ट्रेन चला गया भटिंडा, मम 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 माजा बंद करो नीचे का दरवाजा, ये कोई डायलॉग्स होता है, ये कोई डायलॉग्स. एंड मोर रिडिकुलस डायलॉग्स आई विल टेल. कोलार गोल्डफील्ड्स बन गया केजीएफ, बच्चन पांड्या बन गया बीपी, हाई बीपी. फिर और एक डायलॉग देखो, मंडे टू संडे फियर बच्चन पांडे इट सिम्स. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. ये कोई डायलॉग्स होता है, मतलब डायलॉग्स भी ढंग से नहीं है, एक भी कॉमेडी डायलॉग्स ढंग से नहीं है. और ये लोग बोलता है किंग ऑफ कॉमेडी डायलॉग्स फरहाद शमजी. एंड ऑल द कॉमेडी सीन्स दैट दे आर डूइंग, बेसिकली what all comedy scenes they are doing is all WhatsApp poor jokes will be coming in the morning, right? Pakao jokes that will come in the morning. That's why I have deleted WhatsApp forever. Means I have deleted my number and everything forever I have deleted because of this pakao jokes that they have used. And in this movie they have 7 to 8 writers, it seems 7 to 8 writers. I want to question the director and the producer that are they really script writers or are they troll pages, meme pages owners? If they are troll pages, meme pages owners, then hire me also as a writer. I also can be a script writer in your movies. Because all the comedy scenes are all WhatsApp forward and meme jokes. Facebook meme jokes is there. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. Supporting actors, Pankaj Tripathi first of all. Pankaj Tripathi, they have made him Bhikari Tripathi basically. His dialogues is simply training Akshay Kumar the acting performance, training all the people as acting performance. How he's training? That's it. Simply spitting on the screens. That's all. Finished. Performance over. मतलब such a talented actor Pankaj Tripathi is there. Just for spitting on the screen, they have brought in, means Nolan Samji has used him. Just to spit on the screens. Then Sanjay Mishra. I said before only. Mam maza. Band karo niche ka darwaza. Then mirinda. Train chala gaya bhatinda. This is only there. Then another supporting character is there. I don't know that actor's name. He is just there to watch B-grade porn films. That's all he is there, and get bashed by the relatives for getting caught. That's all his character is. That's all. So not even a single supporting character is doing anything. मतलब कोई दम ही नहीं है. And Kriti Sanon's performance also, actress performance, she's basically playing the director. She's playing the director filmmaker who will make film on the gangster. She's playing that character. Means comedy scenes, nothing is there, only some expressions and here and there she has done fine. But comedy, if it is not written properly, if it is not directed properly, what can she do? She's a good actress, but her performance here didn't come up to the mark because of the third class direction, man. Third class direction of Farhad Nolan Samji. मतलब producers उसको समझते हैं क्रिस्टोफर नोलन का बाप. तो क्या हम भी क्या कर सकते हैं और एक्टर्स भी क्या कर सकते हैं? कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. And talking about the songs, basically talking about the songs, एक भी गाने में I have forgot all the songs whatever played on the screen. Whatever has played, 2 hours have passed from the theaters, I have come back, I have forgot all the songs. So that is the impact of the songs. Means people will forget after leaving the theaters. That is the impact of the song. Only the BGM by Julius Packham. Wow, 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 wow. That BGM is good, decent. Only one BGM they use throughout the whole movie. That BGM and Akshay Kumar's performance is the saving grace of this movie. That's all. Other than that, nothing is there. If you watch the original movie Jigar Tanda, which is directed by Kartik Subbaraj, that is a cult movie. That is a cult movie, and there all the actors are performed superbly. There is emotions, there is comedy, there is a lot of violence. Proper violence is there, and proper treatment he has given. He has not copied from WhatsApp forwards or meme pages, troll pages. He has not copied scenes. He has rewritten and he has Indianized the Korean version. And the original Korean version where he has inspired from, that was only 2 hours 20 minutes. There he has rewritten and he bought in 3 hours almost. So how much hard work he has done. Here simply they are copying, pasting and telling Xerox machine. And some scenes, they are ridiculous scenes they are adding. Bollywood people, this Nadia Dwala, they are adding some nonsense. मतलब एक romance scenes बता दिया. मतलब गैंगस्टर के साथ एक सुंदर लड़की का रोमांस बैक स्टोरी. वो बैक स्टोरी इतना वाहियात और इतना घटिया है, मतलब मैं तो बाथरूम में चला गया. Overall, my ratings for this movie is 1.5 out of 5 stars. Only for Akshay Kumar's performance and the background music, I can give that much marks. Or else this movie is a complete disappointment. If you like Akshay Kumar, then go and watch it in the theaters. Or else watch in Hotstar Jigar Tanda original movie. That's my recommendation. And this Farhad Nolan Shamji, I don't think he knows D of direction. Nothing. He has directed masterpieces, movies like Entertainment and Houseful 3 and now Bachchan Pandey. That just proves that he doesn't know D of direction. And writing also, as a script writer, dialogue writer also, is of complete nonsense. Look at the movies he has written dialogues for. Lakshmi, Coolie No. 1, then Baghi 3, Street Dancer 3D, Judwa 2. Means all the nonsense, utter nonsense movies he has written dialogues for. So as a dialogue writer also, he's gone case. That's it. मतलब क्या बोले भाई? मतलब producers are simply backing him for नाम का वास्ते. That's it. Producers are simply backing him and अपने खुद के पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हैं उसको डायरेक्टर बना के और उसको चांस देके. मतलब क्या बोले भाई? अरे स्पॉट बॉय, लाइटमैन उससे ज्यादा बेटर डायलॉग्स लिख सकते हैं यार. स्पॉट बॉय, लाइटमैन, कैमरामैन, फिर कौन सा है सेटमैन, मतलब जो सेट डिजाइन करता है वो बेटर डायलॉग्स लिख सकता है.